Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android and Android to iPhone. It's very simple tips and tricks using iMyFone software. So how to use it? Where exactly available? We will see detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab. Just simply open Google and put it here. iMyFone Tensor for WhatsApp. I already put this website link in same video description. So some of the important key points comes here. Best WhatsApp and WhatsApp business transfer tool. Transfer WhatsApp between Android and iPhone or iPhone and Android. You can consider both smartphone device each other. Backup WhatsApp Android and iPhone to your computer system. Restore WhatsApp backup iPhone and Android devices. Export WhatsApp backup to HTML, PDF and CSV XLS. So many options are available here. One of the best software I saw ever, and today I will provide you detailed information. If you want buy this particular software, so we will see first of all buy point of view. So 1 month plan like a $29, 1 year plan $39 and lifetime plan $49. I buy this $139 plan and I am using 1 year for 5 devices. It's quite interesting. Business related options also available here, like a $39 for the business. You can put it here product name and easily buy. So I just simply download the software. It's small amount of software. Currently I am accessing on my Mac operating system. So I will provide you some of the features related information. All data solution, variant, data loss in one file. So here several informations are available. Recover data, deblock services, and look at this here, free trial versus full version. Free trial related informations are available here. Recover only 100 MB data, but remaining is absolutely free. If you are installing this one, multiple file is recovered, data device recover, loss pattern and raw data recover. And if you want full version, so you just pay $59.95 US and receive entire features and try multiple times also. So this software you can install and recover some of the features absolutely free, and you need to recover 100 plus MB more than data, so you need to buy full version. So that one is really amazing. So I just simply download this one in my Mac. It's very simple. Now I install the software. Wait couple of seconds. Depend upon your internet speed for the installation point of view. Installation is done. So look at this, successfully installation is done. Other devices data recovery software also introduced this particular software. iPhone data recovery, Android, Windows, Mac, WhatsApp data recovery and line data recovery. So if you like such kind of data recovery software, so you can come this platform and download and use it very easily. So now I just simply open the software here. So now I connect here one of my iPhone and one Android phone. So simply I connect here iPhone. So look at this, within a second the iPhone are recognized and the which brand and all. And now I connect here Android. So look at this here, my iPhone 13 Pro Max and Android phone Moto G Pro. So you can very easily transfer from iOS to Android and Android to iOS like this. Swap source and destination and simply click here transfer, and here you need to, if you want transfer WhatsApp and WhatsApp business between iOS to Android and Android to iOS, so you need to mandatory to register about your membership. So automatically transfer entire data like WhatsApp as it is WhatsApp in Android and Android as it is WhatsApp in iOS very easily, but rest of features are absolutely free. So you can scan WhatsApp data, iTunes, download WhatsApp backup in from Google Drive, view WhatsApp business backup and backup WhatsApp for iOS and Android very easily take the backup. So here backup options are available, which device you connected, like I connected to, so I want backup of my iOS because of currently I am accessing iPhone. So I just simply click here backup. So which backup you want, like WhatsApp Messenger and WhatsApp Business. I have both application available on my iOS, so simply I select here business, and now is backup is going on. Depend upon how much data you have in your WhatsApp Business application, and then accordingly save your data. And here restore, export your backup. Already you have some backup, so you can very easily restore and export your entire backup. It's very simple. And here last but not least, iMyFone chat backup software also available for this particular platform. Look at this here, best WhatsApp recovery. If you are missing or if you are lost your WhatsApp chat or WhatsApp backup, so using this application you can very easily recover your entire WhatsApp chat data. No matter which types of data you have, PDF, Excel or CSV file, you can very easily recover entire data using iMyFone chat back software. The software is also available for this particular platform. And even here several software are available for iPhone data recover, Android data recover, hard drive data recover, WhatsApp data recover, and Line data recover. So you can visit on this platform and you can see here which application or which point you needed. Accordingly you download this data and very easily recover all information using iMyFone software. That one is one of the best software I saw ever. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.